The Consumer Price Index is designed to measure changes in blank. So in this question, we're asked to identify what the Consumer Price Index is designed to measure. So first, let's identify what the CPI is. So the CPI is equal to the cost of the market basket in a given year over the cost of that same market basket in the base year. This could be as this market basket represents a select market basket of goods and services that consumers typically buy. The base year could be the year like 2000, and the given year could be any year afterwards, like 2003, or even a year before that. The base year is used as a comparison model for other years. So the CPI is typically used to track the change in price of this market basket of goods. Now, with this, let's look at the answer choices. A. Spending patterns of urban consumers only. This is incorrect because it doesn't track the spending patterns, it simply tracks the cost of a market basket of goods, and neither does it track it for only urban consumers, it does it for all consumers. So A is incorrect. B. Spending patterns of all consumers. This is incorrect because as before, the CPI doesn't track spending patterns, it simply tracks the cost of a market basket of goods, so there's no spending patterns involved. C. Wholesale price of manufactured goods. This is incorrect because the CPI doesn't measure the price of all manufactured goods, it only measures the price of goods typically bought by the consumers, so C is incorrect. D. Prices of all goods and services produced in an economy. This is incorrect because this is not the accurate representation of what the CPI is. Instead, the CPI is the cost of a certain types of goods in the market, not the price of all goods and services produced in an economy. E. Cost of a select market basket of goods and services. This is the correct answer because this accurately represents what the CPI is, as it measures the cost of a select market basket of goods and services that consumers typically buy. So E is the correct answer.